Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating and powerful defense systems in the modern world, Israel's Iron Dome, often called the Iron Shield. It's a system that has changed the face of modern warfare, redefining how nations defend their skies from constant missile threats. But the question many people are asking today is this: why do incoming missiles keep failing every time? Why does this shield seem almost unstoppable? Let's uncover the real reasons behind this extraordinary defense phenomenon. To understand the power of the Iron Shield, we need to start from the beginning. Israel is one of the most threatened nations in the world. Surrounded by adversaries and facing ongoing tensions, the country has been under missile threat for decades. Rockets launched from hostile territories have targeted cities, military bases, and civilian areas again and again. This constant pressure forced Israel to innovate beyond traditional defense methods. The result was the birth of a cutting-edge defense system built on speed, precision, and real-time data, the Iron Dome. The Iron Dome isn't just a missile defense system, it's a living, breathing technological organism. It reacts in seconds, tracking hundreds of incoming projectiles, analyzing their trajectories, and determining within moments which ones pose real danger. What makes it truly remarkable is its ability to choose. Not every missile gets intercepted, only those that threaten populated areas or strategic targets. This smart decision-making saves both resources and time, giving Israel a decisive edge in every confrontation. At its heart, the Iron Dome is built on three main components: the radar system, the control center, and the interceptor missiles. The radar detects incoming rockets the moment they are launched. Within seconds, the control center calculates the path of each projectile and determines its target. If a missile is likely to hit a populated area, an interceptor missile is launched to destroy it mid-air. All of this happens automatically, often without human intervention, in a matter of seconds. One of the secrets behind the Iron Shield's success is its integration of artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms. These systems process real-time battlefield data faster than any human could. The technology can identify the difference between a harmless projectile that will land in an open field and a deadly rocket heading for a city. By only intercepting real threats, Israel ensures that the system remains sustainable during prolonged attacks. This precision makes it not just effective, but also economically viable compared to shooting down every incoming object. Another reason incoming missiles fail repeatedly is because of the interceptor missile itself, the Tamir. This missile is compact, fast, and incredibly accurate. Each Tamir missile carries an advanced sensor and steering system that locks onto its target with pinpoint precision. It doesn't rely on direct impact. Instead, it detonates close enough to destroy the incoming projectile through controlled explosion and shrapnel. This near-perfect timing is what gives the Iron Dome its unmatched record of success. Critics once doubted whether the Iron Dome could truly handle large-scale barrages. But real-world events have silenced that skepticism. When waves of rockets are launched simultaneously, the Iron Shield doesn't panic. It prioritizes targets based on threat level, trajectory, and impact zone. Even under extreme pressure, its success rate remains astonishingly high, often above 90%. That's something almost no other nation's defense system can claim. The backbone of this reliability lies in constant upgrades. Israel never stops improving its technology. With every conflict, every test, and every interception, engineers gather data, learn, and adapt. New versions of the Iron Dome are faster, smarter, and more resistant to countermeasures. Integration with satellites, drones, and networked radar ensures complete coverage across Israel's territory. It's not just a shield, it's a learning machine, evolving with every challenge it faces. Another factor that makes the Iron Shield nearly unbeatable is its strategic placement. Israel has deployed multiple Iron Dome batteries across the country, each covering a specific area but capable of overlapping protection zones. This network ensures that even if one system is temporarily busy or targeted, others can immediately respond. It creates a layered defense net that's nearly impossible to breach without overwhelming force, and even then, the system's coordination often manages to absorb the impact. Behind the technology lies another key ingredient: training and readiness. Israeli defense operators are among the best in the world. They work alongside automated systems, ensuring that human oversight is always present when needed. Their discipline and constant drills guarantee that when the system engages, there's zero hesitation and maximum efficiency. This synchronization between human skill and machine intelligence is what transforms the Iron Dome into the Iron Shield. Another secret lies in communication systems. Every radar station, control unit, and interceptor launcher is linked through an encrypted, high-speed network. This allows instant sharing of data between batteries spread across hundreds of kilometers. When one radar detects a missile, the information is instantly transmitted to the entire network, allowing multiple systems to prepare in real time. This interconnectedness ensures there are no blind spots and no delays in reaction. But the Iron Shield's dominance isn't just technical, it's psychological. Every failed missile not only saves lives, but also sends a message to adversaries. Israel's skies are nearly impenetrable. Over time, this repeated failure weakens enemy morale. Launching rockets that constantly get intercepted becomes an exercise in futility. It drains resources, exposes launch sites, and delivers little to no strategic gain. That psychological advantage is as important as the physical one. It's also worth mentioning how the Iron Dome is part of a much larger defense network. Above it, Israel has the David Sling system, designed to intercept media, range missiles, and the Arrow system, which targets long-range ballistic threats from high altitudes. Together, these create a multi-layered defense strategy that protects the nation from every possible missile type. When a rocket is launched, it enters a web of overlapping protection layers, each optimized for different altitudes and speeds. That's why so many incoming missiles fail. They face not one, but several levels of defense. In recent years, Israel has also integrated the Iron Dome with naval systems. The Sea Dome, a maritime variant, protects naval ships and offshore assets from rocket attacks. This expansion means that even at sea, Israel's shield remains intact. The ability to defend not just land, but also maritime infrastructure gives Israel strategic flexibility unmatched by most countries. Another fascinating aspect is cost management. Critics often point out that interceptor missiles are expensive compared to the low-cost rockets they destroy. But Israel has turned this into an advantage through technological and financial partnerships. By sharing data and co-developing technology with allies like the United States, Israel has reduced costs and increased efficiency. The system is now partly manufactured abroad, ensuring steady production and funding for future upgrades. What's equally impressive is the precision of its radar technology. It can detect a rocket the moment it's launched, even from dozens of kilometers away. The radar tracks it continuously, predicting impact points with astonishing accuracy. This predictive capability is vital because it allows the system to decide instantly whether to intercept or ignore. The radar doesn't just see, it thinks ahead. One might wonder, can anything penetrate this iron shield? In theory, massive coordinated attacks could stress the system, but Israel's defense strategy anticipates such scenarios. By combining Air Force response, electronic warfare, and ground-based systems, the nation ensures that even during saturation attacks, its citizens remain protected. It's a multi-layered security philosophy built on redundancy, intelligence, and relentless innovation. The Iron Shield's success has sparked global interest. Many countries now study or purchase versions of the technology. The United States has tested the system for its own use. European nations are considering similar models. Even countries in Asia have expressed interest. The idea of a responsive, selective, and cost-effective missile shield is transforming military defense strategies worldwide. The human element behind this system cannot be ignored. Every successful interception is a result of years of research, thousands of test launches, and the dedication of engineers, programmers, and soldiers who maintain it around the clock. For Israeli citizens, the sound of the Iron Dome intercepting a rocket is both terrifying and comforting. Terrifying because it means an attack is happening, comforting because it means they are protected. Over time, the Iron Dome has evolved beyond just a defense tool. It has become a symbol of resilience, innovation, and survival. In a region where threats can appear without warning, the system provides a sense of security that goes beyond military power. It represents the triumph of science and strategy over chaos and fear. One cannot underestimate the importance of timing in this system. Every second counts. From detection to destruction, the entire process takes less than 15 seconds. That speed is what saves lives. The system operates continuously, scanning the skies every moment of every day. Its constant vigilance ensures that no missile catches Israel by surprise. Each engagement provides valuable data. Every interception teaches the system how to improve. Through machine learning and combat analysis, it refines its accuracy and response times. This cycle of feedback and improvement makes it more effective after every battle. It's not just defending, it's learning to defend better. In modern warfare, adaptation is survival. Israel understands this better than most nations. That's why the Iron Shield isn't static. It keeps integrating new sensors, faster interceptors, and even laser-based systems for the future. The upcoming Iron Beam project aims to use high-energy lasers to shoot down rockets at a fraction of the current cost. When fully operational, this could revolutionize missile defense forever, making interception nearly limitless and instant. Every time incoming missiles fail, it's not by chance. It's the result of calculated precision, constant vigilance, and relentless improvement. The Iron Shield embodies a philosophy that no threat is too fast, too numerous, or too unpredictable to counter. It's a demonstration of what human ingenuity can achieve when survival depends on innovation. The global impact of Israel's Iron Dome technology is profound. Other nations are rethinking their air defense strategies, learning from its design principles. The idea of prioritizing real threats, optimizing resources, and maintaining speed has become a model for next-generation defense systems. It has shifted the focus from pure firepower to smart defense. Still, the system isn't perfect. No defense can guarantee absolute safety. Occasionally, rockets do get through, and the human cost reminds everyone that even the most advanced technology has limits. But compared to what could happen without it, the Iron Shield remains a miracle of modern engineering. Its existence alone has prevented countless tragedies and maintained national stability. As technology continues to evolve, so will the Iron Shield. Artificial intelligence will get faster, sensors will become more accurate, communication will be even more instantaneous. The shield will adapt to new threats, including drones, hypersonic missiles, and electronic interference. It will remain a step ahead, because that's the only way to survive in a world where threats evolve daily. For Israel, the Iron Shield isn't just defense, it's deterrence. It sends a clear message that attacks will fail, that aggression will meet resilience, and that innovation will always rise above destruction. It protects lives, infrastructure, and the nation's future. Every explosion intercepted in the sky is a victory not just for technology, but for the will to endure. Each interception tells a story of precision, discipline, and survival. It shows that no matter how many rockets are launched, the shield stands firm, ready, and unwavering. The Iron Shield is more than metal and code. It's a symbol of modern warfare's new age, a battle fought not only with weapons, but with intelligence, a defense built on speed, trust, and innovation. And as long as it stands, every missile that dares to challenge it will continue to fail again and again, proving that in the age of technology, smart defense is the ultimate offense.